The new thread turn operation subtype cuts straight or tapered threads on the inside or outside diameter of the part. You may specify the part geometry to determine the thread, or define it manually by specifying the crest line, root line, and pitch. The in-process workpiece is not used. First, we'll cut the outside diameter by selecting a symbolic thread. The thread turn operation subtype is new. Thread turn uses the new OD and ID triangular tools with holders and adapters. Model-based allows you to select geometry containing thread feature information. This option is new. The retrieved thread information from the model now displays in a table. Infeed methods allow you to determine how the insert is applied to the workpiece to create the thread form. Radial Infeed is the most common infeed method, producing a V-shaped chip and even insert wear on both sides. Rear flank and front flank infeed allow you to specify flank infeed angle to avoid the insert edge rubbing on the component surface. Incremental infeed is the preferred method for larger thread profiles, producing an even insert wear and the longest tool life on very coarse threads. This toolpath uses an incremental infeed. Next, we'll cut the inside diameter by using the From Table input mode. This mode can be used when the model doesn't contain thread feature information. The system suggests a thread from an underlying table based on the selected input diameter. Select From Table as the input mode and select the detail thread. The thread based on the specified standard and size from the underlying table is machined.